Hello and welcome to ITC Tech Share. I'm Tom Grissom. Welcome to part number 2. We've got one final step to do here to finish up our narrated video recording. Now here I am on slide 1. I mentioned earlier that I could move this around. I could put this wherever I would like. I'm going to leave it up here in the upper right hand corner, so that's fine. So I've got my slide 2 here and my slide 3. Those all look good to me. But I've got one important thing. Now I can either save this as a PowerPoint file with this video and the audio embedded, but as I said, the point of this is to export this to video. So I'm going to say let's export this to video. I want a full 1080 HD recording, so I'm just going to say next, and then let me just come up here and I'm going to call this Getting Started EIU, and then I'm just going to put the letter A at the end of this just to signify this is different, and I'm going to say save. And whenever I do that, down at the bottom, you'll see a progress bar. Now this is a 3-slide recording, so it's going to take a bit of time. So it's going to go through here and render. I will fast forward this, but it will take, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes here. If we look at the time, it's 10:47. I'll fast forward from here and come back whenever this finishes rendering. Okay, so we're back through the magic of video editing. We're now at 10:50, so that took about 3 minutes for that to render. And now then, I can close this out since I'm finished exporting this out. Now, I have basically still my PowerPoint. Now, I kind of have a system that I always keep my original PowerPoints pristine and clean. So this one already has recording. You can either just discard this and not save it. However, if you want to save it and come back and edit, I would suggest doing Save As. And I'm going to come up here and call this Getting Started EIU. Let's go up here and browse. Once again, I'm going to say with recording. All right, so that identifies this PowerPoint separately from my pristine one here. So I'm just going to hit save. And now then I've got that piece. Now then, if I go out to my file manager, and I go to my, I believe I saved that in my documents in the AY1718 folder. And then right here you can see at 10:50 a.m. So this is 33,377 kilobytes. That's an MP4 file. So that's just simply a video file. If I double click, that will open up your default video player. So right now I am recording. I'm looking directly. I'm going to fast forward. If I want to use digital ink, I can come up here, just put a little. If I'm on a roll, I can, this is slide number 3. And once again, I've got some animations here. So I'm going to pause that. But now it is a video file, and this is the final product that we're after. As I said, you can upload this to YouTube, and make it public to the world. The nice thing about this is a student doesn't have to have PowerPoint. They can pause, rewind, watch as much as they would like. If you want to set up a separate private course in Microsoft Stream, we can do that. Or here at EIU, we also have the Kaltura video service, so we could upload that MP4 file using that as well. So it's just simply an MP4 file, and let me just go out here and go to the end. I'm going to hit stop. And right there was the end of the recording. So that was a 2-minute and 26-second basically narrated PowerPoint slide recording. So let me hit escape and get out of this. Let's just go up here and close this out. And there we go. So now then, let me minimize this. So we're finished with our Office Mix. We've already saved this separately, and we're done. So that's how easy it is to make a basic narrated slide recording. You can either have the picture-in-picture of the talking head, in the upper right-hand corner, lower right-hand corner, wherever you'd like to place it, or you can just simply use voice narrations and the digital ink, and it's very easy to do. And the nice thing about it is you can upload it, put it online, and it's accessible 24/7, 365 for your students. They can watch, rewind, pause as many times as they would like. That's how easy it is to use Office Mix. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Tom Grissom. Keep on learning.